Hello, this is Thomas Rowe and I'll be presenting my mini project 1. I started by importing the math module because I needed it later in my code. I then wrote the code for Friday night's pizza party. I started by creating 3 variables with relevant names. I then assigned variable number of pizzas with the number of people times the average slice amount divided by 8. Then I used the math ceiling module to get the answer rounded up to the nearest integer. Then I assigned the total cost variable with the cost of the pizza times number of pizzas. Then I printed Friday night pizza party. I then printed the number of pizzas needed and the cost. I used a floating point number to the second decimal for the cost because it is a dollar amount. I then calculated the tax by multiplying the cost by 7%. Then I calculated the delivery fee by multiplying the cost plus tax by 20%. I then printed the tax and delivery fee with a floating point number to the second decimal. For the total charge, I added the total cost of the pizza, tax, and delivery fee. I then printed the total charge as a floating point number to the second decimal. I then copy and pasted my code 2 times for the Saturday and Sunday pizza parties and changed the variables by adding Saturday or Sunday at the beginning to indicate if it was for Saturday or Sunday. At the end, I calculated the total cost of the weekend by adding the total charges for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and printing it with a floating point number to the second decimal place. I ran my code several times throughout the whole process with several inputs to make sure there was no syntax errors or logical errors. Here are examples of my code being run at different stages.